Hello all, it is Jules here from My Home Life, living the authentic good life here. Get adjusted. There we go. I'm going to make an omelet today with my extra ham. I have goat cheese, ham, heavy cream, salt, pepper, kale, and of course my eggs. First thing I'm going to do is get this ham. I have onions as well. Get those browned up. I hope y'all are doing okay today. This is a Friday coming to you. I'll probably post this on Saturday, maybe later tonight, but probably Saturday morning. Nothing better than a Saturday morning breakfast influencer. And got all this ham. I have extra rolls. However, the omelet is served, whether it's straight on a plate or whether you want to cut it up and put it on top of a biscuit or roll. And go look at the video I have up of the sourdough dinner rolls. They're more of an all-day roll. You can use them breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacking. I will lightly, once this gets browned up and golden, soften those onions up. I'll add the kale. But while that's going, I'll go ahead and get these eggs beaten up one by one. There's an extra bowl here. I'll keep my eggs for my garden, or a friend's garden. Some of these eggs are bigger than the others. I think you use 2 batches. That one has a extra stringy yolk. Let me get that out. Smells really good. Ham becomes more like bacon. Perfect for an omelet. I love to cook. I just cannot help myself. I can't stop myself. It is just how I roll. I have some limitations, you know. Now at 60, not that I want to give away my age, but at 60, life has got, you know, a few hiccups. Lived a while, been through enough. Go ahead and add my cream. Sometimes you can add a little bit of water, but I want this to be dense enough to be able to pull. This is looking good. I'm going to turn the heat down now. A little bit of brown color on everything. Yummy. Let's throw the kale in there to soften that up, give it a little color. I will take this out of the pan and I'll put it back in once I get the egg pretty much as well done as I can. I'll add the goat cheese as I fold everything in and it's still warm and it softens up nice. Salt and pepper, I have it combined here. I'm not going to add too much because the ham is pretty salty. I have about 10 eggs. Maybe it was an odd one, maybe 11. Looks lovely. Alright. Reincorporate that once I get my egg to the point where I can fold it. I have an apron right here. I don't know why I don't throw it on. Probably because it's past winter and it's a little snug. Modesty is everything. Alright. This is well seasoned now. It's still pretty, I want to make sure we can lift our omelet up. There's a well lubricated pan. And the egg goes down. I know, booby. I'm going to turn it down some because nothing, I don't want to brown it too much. Holding it's always the trick. No, got my puppy right here. No. Fill those holes up so that when we flip it, we don't end up with a gaping hole from a bubble. So as far as kitchen goes, you know, we all have to eat. You know, might as well make it a memorable meal, as I've been saying for years through most of my online postings, is making memorable meals for family, for others, for even for yourself. Celebrate life. You know, life is too short to just, you know, run through a drive-through every day or every other day and sacrifice your health to the point of, you know, heart disease or other disease. You know, as you get older, all that stuff creeps up on you, and the next thing you know, you can't turn back the clock. So eat well, eat hearty, eat home cooked, know what's in your food. Absolutely love what you do when you're cooking. At least try to engage in it. Not everybody's going to be interested in being some kind of master chef or cook, or want to, you know, explore different recipes. For me, I remember when my kids used to go off and do their thing, I would spend countless hours in the library. I would countless hours in the bookstore just flipping through food magazines. I was just drawn to the beauty of it, you know, photographing those moments, getting those special feel good, you know, it's a sensory thing, whether it's visual or, you know, in your senses of smell, which we all know the kitchen is notorious for. But it just isn't about smell. It's about presentation. It's about color combinations. It's about incorporating different foods, tastes, textures, whole foods. You know, if you're not a meat eater, you know, there's alternatives to that as well. I've got a vegetarian, nearly vegan in my family. So I've had to change how I go about cooking my meals to satisfy other people's palates. It's, you know, you're not comfortable. It's a process where, you know, it's outside your comfort zone, or you got to think outside the box to make sure that other people are happy, you know, as well as you are, whether you're eating heavier meat or not eating meat. Vegetarians have the right to eat a healthy, good diet. Normally I make a frittata where I don't have to necessarily cut in. I may do that on this case. I might be an open-faced frittata, because I don't know how well I'm going to get this folded. I can try. And that's what it's all about. It's about experimenting, doing different things. Maybe that's what I'll do. Spread some of this extra egg out so that it's cooked. There we go. So as far as how you go about cooking, your kitchen, your rules. That's what I say. You know, you're not going to make everybody happy, but, you know, at least set out to make yourself happy in the process. Yeah, I'm going to make like an open face, I think. Let me put my lid on so the top incorporates wherever I put that. Find it here. Crazy looking lid, but it works. My dome. So, yeah, I'm not necessarily new to YouTube or getting my face out there, but it's still a learning curve, and I'm not perfect at it. I'm limited in some things, and I'm not limited in other things. So I have some enjoyable points and parts, and you know, I definitely love to create a meal and take photos of it and present it just so other people can see how gorgeous things can look from pan to plate. So plating it up is, I think, just an extension of our efforts. So why just slap something on unless you're in a hurry? I mean, everybody's running out the door and you're in a hurry, and in that case, looks and presentation doesn't matter. But when it comes down to taking a minute and celebrating the cooking and the process, it's, you know, it's dead on dedication and passion and, you know, a joy. Those old books, The Joy of Cooking, Barefoot Contessa, Martha Stewart, everybody. I don't want to burn it either. I'm getting to that point. I don't want to burn it. Take a quick peek here. That's one crusty looking. Alright, I'm gonna flip it, because that was my true intention anyway. And crumble some goat cheese here. Dot it with goat cheese. Not everybody's a fan of goat cheese. You can use cheddar cheese, Munster cheese, Mexican blend cheese. I like goat cheese for an occasional. I was going to do a goat cheese roll, but I didn't get to that, so I have this goat cheese and I want to use that up. There we go. I turned this off, right? I turned it off. Can I see how brown it is underneath? I'm a little nervous because I can smell it cooking. Yep, cooking on itself. Oh, I don't say I ever burn things too often. It's darn close. I'll get that off of the pot quickly. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Give it a plate here. These go halfsies. I have to reuse these plates for one of my favorite plates. Cutter knife. I'm still getting used to talking and filming at the same time. There's a trick to it, you know. Definitely a trick to it. I'm going to lift that off the pan so it doesn't continue to cook. Everything goes in the sink. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. And I can smear some of the goat cheese on top. Kind of masks some of that gosh, that's good. Ta-da! Play with it a little bit. So good. I had a sneak taste. And if you want, drizzle some, I have an extra one. You can drizzle hot sauce. Honey mustard would be really good on this. Maybe that's what I'll drizzle over top, some honey mustard. Yay! It's fun, even if you do kind of brown it a little bit or you feel like you can't recover, you know, cheers, you know, it's all good. It's still edible. And I enjoy talking with everybody out there. Any way I can influence or I can help you out in the kitchen to not be so nervous to try new things and be authentic. Just be your normal self, you know. Errors happen. Keep on trying. Eat well. Be well. See you again soon. Bye.